This is Yogeshkumar Rathod. I want to give you some information on Windows Server 2008 Active Directory. If interested, then listen. Other servers are Novel, Linux, Unix. Client operative systems are from DOS to Windows 95, Windows 98, uh, XP, Vista, 2000 Professional, Windows 7, Windows 13. Administrative tools for Active Directory users and computers, Active Directory sites and services, Active Directory domain and trust. You can furnish details for users, see into properties and fill in details like first name, last name, email address, web page, etc. I will give you more information later. Thanking you.